ikaze cyane muri the evening rush. Yes, ni the evening rush kuva ku isaha saa 12 kugeza ku isaha ya saa 2 kuri 91 n'igice kimwe. That is a radio 1. The evening rush hamwe nanje DJ Adams kuwa mbere, kuwa kabiri, kuwa gatatu, kuwa kane no kuwa gatanu. Ango ni the evening rush. And yes, kuwa mbere R&B nyinshi cyane, kuwa kabiri African music, ango ni haba harimo n'inyarwanda. OG, we are talking about original Rwandan music. Kuwa gatatu rock music, kuwa kane classic old school. Kuwa gatanu we mix kila kitu right here, and yes, that is kuwa gatanu. Ushake zindi za zamani cyangwa se ibihe bya kera cyane, gahunda ni ku cyumweru kuri TV1 nanone kuva ku isaha saa 6 kugeza ku isaha saa 8 z'amanywa, and that is on TV1. Ikiganiro cyo cyitwa The Classic Memories. Now kuri radio kuva kuwa mbere kugeza kuwa gatanu saa 12 kugeza saa 2 z'ijoro, aho ngaho ubwo ni The Evening Rush. Talk about the evening rush, aho uherereye hariho hose, amajyaruguru, amajyepfo, iburasirazuba, iburengerazuba, umujyi wa Kigali, hanze y'u Rwanda, angaho hanze y'u Rwanda ho ni tune in. Let's do that, be part of it. Just ibyo ngibyo, you remember, sweet memories, great moments. Class is permanent, form is temporary, you know that. So ni Adams on Air 250, hose Adams on Air 250 kuri Facebook, Adams on Air 250 kuri TikTok, Adams on Air 250 kuri Instagram, Adams on Air 250 kuri YouTube, Adams on Air 250 kuri Twitter, ugoni X, and this Adams on Air 250 kuri Threads. So be part of it, have all that very good time. Cheers to yourselves, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever.